Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from GDAX over to USI Tech to buy some packs so you can build your business. So what we're going to need to do first is go into your USI Tech back office, as we see here. You're going to click on your package options and you're going to click on place order. Okay, as you can see here, you're going to have your BTC packs, you're going to have the price of your packs, and you're going to click on purchase. Alright. Now, when you do that, it's going to ask you how many you'd like to purchase. You put the number in here, 1, 2, 3, 10, 50, whatever it is. It's going to tell you how much it is. It's going to change with each click of your mouse here. They give you the basic amount of dollars to the amount of Bitcoin that you have. If you're looking to start out with a specific dollar amount, say $500, $1,000, $200, whatever it may be, you can just send it over, for how many packs you want to buy. Say you want to buy, here we go, 400, we're looking at, okay, say you want to buy 8 packs, you've got $500, you want to send it over, it's going to be $495. You're going to say you have read and agreed to the terms, and you're going to say purchase. You can wait for that to happen. It's going to give you the details. Now, over here, you're going to see this is the wallet information. Now, this is where the payment is going to have to be sent. So, you're going to need to copy this address here, the whole thing. You're going to copy. Then you're going to need to go into your GDAX. Now, when you go into your GDAX from this screen here, this is your main screen. You're going to want to go all the way over to your upper right here, where I'm pointing, and you see these 3 lines here. You're going to want to mouse over, and you're going to click on Accounts. When you click on Accounts, you're going to look to see for your Bitcoin account, so BTC account. It's going to bring up any of transfers that you might have done. I've done a couple of transfers myself here. Now, this is to deposit, and this one is to send. Up is send, down is deposit, so you're going to click on the up arrow. It's going to say withdraw funds from your GDAX account. You're going to click on BTC address. And what you're going to do right here where it says destination is where you're going to copy that address that I showed you before from here. So you're going to go over to here. You're going to right click and paste. There's your address. There's the amount you want to send. So let's just say you're going to send in Bitcoin. Alright, how much did it say right here? It says 0.033154115. Alright, so we can copy this as well. We'll copy. We'll go back over here. And we'll right click and paste. And that's going to be the amount right here. Now, what you're going to have to do after this is you're going to get a code. Now, because it's a 2-factor code, and the reason for the 2-factor code is for your security. They're making sure that someone just didn't log into your account and they're trying to send your money somewhere to buy Bitcoin. So, what happens is when you set it up with your phone number. So you're going to say get a code. You're going to click on that. It's going to send a code to your phone. When you get that code, you're going to have to place that code right here. The code happens to be whatever it is. It doesn't matter. Because I'm not going to do this whole thing right now with you. And then you will withdraw funds. What will happen then is that money will be sent over to USI, and you will have a waiting for payment that'll keep flashing until the payment is received. Okay, seems simple enough. With that, we're all done. See how simple? Talk to you later, all. Bye.